Hi folks, my name is Larry Cotnoir, and today we're going to be talking to you about the 2019 Sierra 378 FB. That means a front bathroom. Real nice floor plan. First off, I want to show you that it has a nice fiberglass cap. It's got plenty of storage area for your baggage and chairs, whatnot. If you're going to have an extended stay, maybe in Florida, what have you, spare tires in there. You can bring your TV outside. Outside speakers, huge awning. Underneath the awning is LED light strip. As we walk down here, I'll show you the outside kitchen. Got a nice big fridge, dorm fridge, huge. Whoop, hey, we got a plumb sink. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Got its own drain, nice, plenty of storage. Again, you got the speakers outside for your listening pleasure. Sports a ladder. Come on inside. We're going to take a quick peek as I walk up the aluminum steps. Nice and sturdy, wide and everything. They're fantastic in the Sierra 378 FB. First thing we notice when we come in, beautiful 3-drawer fridge. Big kitchen, island, undermount sink, stainless steel double bowl. Nice residential faucet, spray. Glass countertop over the stove, gives you a little more room. I love this 3-burner stove. I just love the way that it looks. Very handsome. Nice oven. Again, you got hard surface countertop. Over here is our pantry. Look at the pull-out drawers. Wow, that's going to be handy for mother or father. He's cooking breakfast on a Sunday. We got our pendant lighting with some nice wrought iron decorations. Over here we've got our, oh my goodness, we got our theater seating. This one here, massage, heat, and also has a light. Over here we have our memory foam sleeper sofa if you have an extra guest. This pops down, comes out to about here. It looks like it's almost, almost a queen. Got a nice TV. It'll twist and turn to wherever you're sitting. Nice fireplace, throws off a little heat on a chilly morning. AM, FM, CD, DVD player, very nice. Love the wood look floor. This is like a barn board floor. It's a little different than most of them. Over here is a bathroom. So when you have guests over, you're outside picnicking, they can come right in here to the half bath, use the toilet and the sink, and they don't have to go through the rest of the camper. Also got the fuse panel, and we have a vacuum. It's a vacuum. Central vacuum. Right here. Right beside the toilet. So it's kind of in a nice spot. All right, folks, let's go upstairs. Wow, you got a nice, looks like a nice king bed. You've got cross ventilation with a couple of windows. You've got another place for a TV. Second air conditioner. Very nice. Wow, look at this bathroom. This is really what makes the 378 FB front bathroom sing, is the double bowl sinks for his and her. This huge shower. You can either sit, or it's a great place to shave. And then you have this huge closet for shoes and hanging goods. Oh my goodness, look, it has a washer dryer hookup. I mean, the extended stay in this one, you could stay in this just about year round down in Florida or nice warm climate. Well folks, my name is Larry Cotnoir. I'm here at Vermont Country Campers. If you're going by, I'd love to have you stop in and say hi. This is Vermont Country Campers TV, and this has been the Sierra 378 FB front bathroom fifth wheel. Thank you.